In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Voice AI for Google Meet using a voice changer. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you can smoothly alter your voice for your next meeting or call. Whether you're looking to add a creative twist to your virtual conversations or simply want to explore the realm of voice modulation, follow along as we delve into this easy setup. Let's get started by navigating to Google Meet. This is your launchpad for integrating voice changing capabilities. Once you're on the Google Meet homepage, look for the iconic waffle icon, typically located in the top right corner. This icon provides access to various Google applications and extensions. Clicking on it will reveal a grid of Google tools available for your use. Next, direct your attention to the Chrome Web Store. This is where you'll find the extensions needed to modify your voice. Clicking on the store will open up a world of possibilities, showcasing a broad range of extensions designed to enhance your browsing and communication experiences. Now, it's time to search for the voice changer. In the Chrome Web Store search bar, type in voice changer. This search will bring up several options, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on a popular and user-friendly choice, Clownfish Voice Changer. This extension is not only robust but also versatile, offering a variety of voice modulation options to tailor your auditory presence during meetings. Once you've located Clownfish Voice Changer in the search results, click on it. This will take you to the extension's main page, where you can read more about its features, user reviews, and permissions required. It's always a good idea to skim through the description to ensure it aligns with your expectations and needs. After familiarizing yourself with Clownfish Voice Changer, proceed to install it by clicking the Add to Chrome button. The extension will be added to your browser and you might need to grant permissions for optimal functionality. Ensure you follow any on-screen prompts to complete the installation. With Clownfish Voice Changer successfully installed, you can now access and configure it by clicking on its icon, which typically appears near your address bar. Explore the different voice settings and customization options available. You can experiment with pitches, sounds, and effects to find a voice that suits your style or purpose. That's it! You're now set to enhance your Google Meet sessions with a touch of creativity and fun. Whether it's for professional purposes or entertainment, voice modulation adds a unique element to virtual interactions. Remember to adjust your settings according to your desires and enjoy the experience of transformed communication. Thank you for watching and happy chatting with your new voice on Google Meet.